Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send documents via Adobe Sign. To get started, simply log into your Adobe Acrobat account. Once you are logged in, look for the Sign tab or the Request Signatures option, usually found on the main dashboard. This is your gateway to initiating the signing process. From there, you will upload the document you need signed, which can be a PDF, Word document, or other common file types. It's a straightforward first step. After uploading, take a moment to review your document. Adobe Sign is quite versatile, automatically converting many file types, like Microsoft Word or Excel, into a PDF format for signing. This ensures consistency and security throughout the process. Double-check that all pages are present and in the correct order, and that the content is exactly as you intend it to be signed. This quick check saves time later. Now comes the interactive part, adding fields. You can easily drag and drop various fields, such as signature blocks, initials, dates, or text fields, directly onto your document. Then, you'll enter the email addresses of all your recipients. It's crucial to assign each field to the correct person, ensuring they only interact with the parts meant for them. You can add up to 25 recipients for a single document. Once all fields are placed and recipients are assigned, simply click the Send button. Adobe Sign will then dispatch the document to everyone on your list. You can easily track the progress from your Adobe Sign dashboard, seeing who has viewed, signed, or is yet to act. You'll also receive helpful email notifications as each recipient completes their part, keeping you informed every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.